priceless trait, giving a f. Giving a f is perhaps the most challenging quality to teach. Some would even argue it's impossible to instill from the outside. It's not a skill that can be acquired through training or a process that can be enforced with a checklist. It is an intrinsic drive, a deep-seated personal investment in the outcome that serves as the crucial differentiator between good work and truly exceptional work. Having an employee who gives a f is absolutely key to success. This trait represents a profound sense of ownership. An individual who possesses it doesn't just complete a task. They are personally invested in the success and quality of the final product, viewing it as a reflection of their own standards. This level of dedication translates into an employee who doesn't need constant oversight, who anticipates problems before they arise, and who goes the extra mile not because they are told to, but because their internal commitment demands it. Having an employee who gives a f is absolutely key to organizational success. It signifies a fundamental alignment of purpose, meaning that the employee and the owner are essentially on the same page, sharing the same commitment to excellence, meticulous attention to detail, and a proactive approach to solving problems. This shared dedication ensures that projects are not merely finished, but finished right. Here are a few signs that you have a great employee. Number 1. Unprompted initiative. They look for ways to improve processes or products without being asked, driven by a desire for better results. Number 2. Resilience and persistence. They don't give up at the first hurdle. Setbacks are viewed not as roadblocks but as challenges to be overcome in pursuit of the desired quality. Number 3. Accountability. They take full responsibility for their work, both successes and failures, and are inherently motivated to correct errors and learn from them. Ultimately, while skills can be trained and procedures can be documented, the deep, personal investment embodied by giving a f must come from within. It is the lifeblood of high-performance teams and the bedrock upon which genuine excellence is built.